welcoming another IES Premier Sales Employer, Gary Millwit with JG Wentworth. Gary, tell us why JG Wentworth is an IES Premier Sales Employer.
Well, we're an IES Premier Sales Employer for a couple of reasons, Fred. One is we've totally revamped our onboarding program to the tune of we've been able to onboard since January 25 to 30 new sales reps every month. And then we went to pandemic, we went online, and we didn't stop. We were able to hire the smartest and the best people we could, lots of them right out of college, and we're putting them on the sales floor after a month of training and onboarding, putting them right to the floor, and they are making their numbers. And that's awesome. So we're adding hundreds of new salespeople to our structured settlement division and our brand new debt settlement division as well. So I think that we are not only premier, but we are premier for people that are coming out of school and want to learn how to sell. So that's what we do, and we're enjoying it.
Very good. Gary, once again, congratulations on JG Wentworth being an IES Premier Sales Employer.